Have you ever read your horoscope and thought, that sounds encouraging, then pulled a tarot card that felt challenging? Or perhaps your astrology suggests you're entering a positive period, yet today's tarot card seems full of obstacles. It can feel as though they're contradicting each other. But what if they aren't? What if they're simply describing two different parts of your experience? Think about the weather where you live. The climate tells you what the area is generally like. Is it warm, cold, dry, rainy? Those patterns change slowly. But today's weather might be completely different. You can live in a warm climate and still have a storm today, or live in a cool climate and enjoy a beautiful sunny afternoon. Climate and weather aren't competing with each other, they're describing different things. And I believe astrology and tarot work in much the same way. Your birth chart describes your long-term landscape, your natural tendencies, the qualities you bring into life, the kinds of lessons you're likely to encounter, your strengths, your challenges, your preferences. It isn't describing every single day. It's describing the climate you live in. Just as someone living in a Mediterranean climate experiences different weather from someone living in northern Canada, every birth chart creates its own unique environment. That's why I think of astrology as your personal climate. Tarot is much more immediate. It reflects what's moving through your life right now. Your current circumstances, your emotional landscape, the opportunities you might not have noticed, the challenge asking for your attention today. Weather changes, sometimes quickly, sometimes dramatically. That doesn't mean your climate has changed. It simply means that today feels different from yesterday's. Tomorrow's weather may be completely different again. Now the two systems stop competing. Instead, they complement each other. Astrology gives you the wider picture. Tarot helps you understand today's conditions within that picture. One provides context, the other provides perspective. Suddenly the messages don't conflict, they work together. Imagine you naturally thrive on change and enjoy exploring new possibilities. That's part of your personal climate. Then today feels heavy. Progress seems slow. Conversations are frustrating. That's today's weather. It doesn't mean you've become a different person. It means today's conditions call for a different response. Tomorrow's weather may be brighter, but your climate, the environment you naturally live in, remains the same. This keeps the example timeless and avoids tying it into any one tarot card or birth chart interpretation. This simple comparison transformed the way I think about both astrology and tarot. Instead of asking which one is right, I started asking how they work together. That idea became the foundation for my short Kindle book, Stars and Cards. If this way of thinking resonates with you, I think you'll enjoy exploring it further there. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Does climate and weather comparison make sense to you?